We are here in Calabasas today. We got a couple panels, couple doors. As you see, we have a nice step down design right here with the lines going through. Our standard handles. You see the lines lining up, door open. Very, very simple install. A little bit tricky down here because the wall's at an angle. So is the house. But as you know, we are really good at coming up with solutions here in Mulholland. Now time to show you guys the other side. We had some demo here too as well, but that wasn't an issue. And here's the other door with the panel against the wall and a post. Very smooth. As you guys know, these gates are 100% aluminum, fully powder coated, 1000% made in the USA, baby. Again, all our lines are lining up very clean, and of course, a very, very strong, beautiful product.